Rahman Rahim. My today's topic is reference books for Fiqh Hanafi. These don't source their fatwa from Quran or Hadith, but they have a set of books and they take the reference from those books. Among these books is Darr-ul-Mukhtar, Darr-ul-Mukhtar, Kanzul Amal, and Ibn Abidin Shami and Fatawa Alamgiri, and there are many other books also. Today I am going to talk about Duru-al-Mukhtar. This book was written as compiled about 500 years ago by one person. His name is uh, Shaykh Muhammad Alauddin al-Haskafi. He died in 1070 Hijri. That means about 500 years ago. 5 pages of the Urdu Dur-al-Mukhtar. Many things are written about this book and the author of this book. To start with, it is said the book Duru-al-Mukhtar was written by the Prophet's tongue because in a dream, our Prophet ﷺ put his tongue in the mouth of the author of Duru-al-Mukhtar. In this book, that the asnad or the silsila, the link of riwayat of this book Dur-al-Mukhtar goes all the way back to Allah Ta'ala through the Prophet ﷺ. That means for hadith we have small result, but here it goes all the way to Allah through Rasul Akram Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Okay, enough of exaggeration. I will go on further. Prophet Isa comes to this world before the Qiyamah. He will follow the Fiqh Hanafi. Khidr spent 30 years learning the knowledge from Abu Hanifa. Sheri learned the knowledge from Khidr and for 3 years, and during this period he wrote about 1,000 books and put them in a box and put dumped in a sea. When Hazrat Isa comes in this world before the Qiyamah, he will take those books, he will retrieve those books from the sea and act upon the books which were written by Abu Hanifa. To be, as a matter of fact, there is no book written by Abu Hanifa in the world. Whatever they have, it is the books of his students, not his own. They say, Nabi Akram Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, Abu Hanifa is the lamp of this community. And like Abu Hanifa in the millat of Hazrat Musa and Isa, they would not have gone astray. They would have been on the straight path. In this book, that anyone who refutes this fatwa of Abu Hanifa, may Allah curse him. Biographies of Abu Hanifa written by both Deobandis and Barelvis. Deobandis, I have Mufti Azuz Rahman's book. Then Barelvi, I have Maulana Awais Ahmad. And this one, I have the book of Siratul Noman of Shulul Nemani. There's so much is written about him. But one thing is there's no book about him, and he was not a Tabai. The only Tabai at the time was living was Abdullah bin Ufa. He died in 89 Hijri. At the time, Abu Hanifa was just a kid of 8 or 9 years. Okay. Written so many books exaggerating his status, but without any authority, but without any this one basis.